Hey everybody, Mike here. I wanted to take a second to go over something that I use almost every single day, and that's these Chirp wheels that you see here. Now I've got all 4 different sizes that are available in this Chirp Plus lineup. Now I've had these for several years now, but over the years they've come out with new models that do different things. So these are kind of the OG wheel when it comes to the Chirp wheels. There's quite a few companies that have actually come out and imitated these over the years as well. But to the best of my understanding, Chirp was kind of the first ones that come out with these. And back in 2017, I was having a bunch of back issues that were mainly caused due to the nature of my work. I'm a lineman full time, and all the digging and bending over and constant lifting has really paid a toll on my back over the years. These were mentioned to me by a friend that had had really good luck with these. I thought I'd go ahead and give them a try because at that point in time I figured, what did I have to lose? Slowly over time, what I noticed was a lot of the soreness that I was having was alleviated by doing these for 20 to 30 minutes every night. The routine that I've kind of come to is after a long day's work, after dinner, usually right before I go to bed for the night, I'll come in here and I'll spend some time rolling across these on mainly my upper back, but I kind of work from my mid to my upper back depending on the day and kind of where I'm feeling tender that day. Now these wheels have a 5-inch diameter here across the wheel, so they feel really stable when they're on the ground and they don't shift back and forth too bad on me. Now they go from a 12-inch wheel all the way down to a 4-inch wheel. They all have different uses and you can use these on different body parts as well. So it's not just limited to the back. You can use these on your legs, arms, and so forth as well. But what I found I usually do, especially when I'm really tight that night, is I start with the biggest wheel because it's got the most surface area that's gonna go across your back. And let me go ahead and demonstrate that for you real quick and show you what that looks like. So what I'll end up doing is I'll come over here like so. I usually start around my mid to mid-lower back, get up off my butt here, and I just kind of roll until I find that tender spot and I work it back and forth. Usually I'll get an audible crack out of my back when I do this. Once I've gotten used to this wheel here, typically what I'll do is I'll move down a size. I'm someone who likes to have that deep tissue massage. I will work my way down to the smaller wheel, whereas my wife is someone who doesn't like that real deep tissue, so she likes to stay more on the surface, and that's where these bigger wheels is. She generally only uses this one most of the time. So I'll work down to the medium like you see here, and I kind of work through that one. Usually I'll get a few more cracks out of my back from here as well. And then if I'm really feeling it that night and I need that extra work, I'll go down to this wheel here and then further kind of work my back even more. And usually at this point in time, I'm concentrating right at my shoulder blades. That's where I tend to feel the most discomfort, at least for me anyways. But I'll sit there and just kind of work this back and forth like this until I feel like I've gotten the relief that I was looking for. And then sometimes I'll even hold it right there if I find like a trigger point. And this is all I've really done over the last handful of years now to really work on my back and get to where I'm able to function and move every single day. But also what's really nice about these is every one of these wheels has this groove built into it like you see here. And that's just to allow a place for your spine to go so it doesn't put any extra pressure on your spine that's not needed. Lastly, I wanted to talk about this wheel here. So this is the 4-inch wheel, and I picked this one up later on. They didn't have this available when I first picked up the set of 3 that I've got here. And this is what they call a focus roller. It's come extremely handy on like, if I've got a spot on my leg, I can usually just kind of roll it up and down my leg like this, or I can put it underneath if I really need to put some pressure on it. I can kind of come in here and kind of just roll my leg back and forth on that. And that does a really good job. A lot of times for me, on the outside of my leg is kind of where I need that at, so I'll have to rotate my leg a little bit and focus more on that side. Yep, right there. Right there, I've got a tender spot. So I've got a point right there that I need to work on tonight and see if I can get that muscle freed up. These wheels have really come in clutch for me over the last several years now. Like I said, 2017 is kind of when I started having problems. So I got these right around that time frame. So we're looking at 7 years now that I've been using these. And what's nice about them is even with me and my weight fluctuating over the years, I've gone up, I've gone down, I'm kind of back up again. These are rated up to 500 pounds per wheel. So if you're a person that's a little bit on the bigger side, don't worry about too much about that. You can still use these wheels and get the relief that you're looking for out of these. Hopefully that was a little bit helpful for you and try to explain how these work, at least for me anyways. If you don't feel like you need all 4 of these wheels, you can pick these up individually and then add on to later on in life as you feel like you need them. Or you can pick them up in a set. They also have these available in all black now, as well as this mint color like you see here. So they've really left it open for you to decide and customize the set how you see fit. That's all I've got for you on this one today, guys. I hope that was somewhat helpful for you. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.